Hey everyone, my name is Jack. I'm working on a couple different products, both physical products in the e-commerce space as well as digital coaching products. And I've been a follower of Mike for 10 plus years now. Every single thing he put out is just absolute gold. I've been a follower of the podcast ever since Self-Made Man all the way till now, with Audience Factory. And so I think Audience Factory was super solid. Myself, I've built over I think 250,000 followers on my own, and I still learn new stuff with this program that I've been applying and that has been super helpful. So, thank you, Mike. I think my favorite thing about Audience Factory was probably just the way you lay stuff out so simple, just step by step. Do this, do this, do this, and if you follow those steps, you can't mess up too bad. So, I recommend it to anyone looking to just build out their presence online, whether you're doing a physical product or a digital product. I think either way, there's stuff to take away from this and stuff to learn to help you make more money online. So I recommend 10 out of 10. Mike is super solid guy. He honors everything he does in terms of money back guarantees if you guys aren't satisfied. So super trustworthy. One of the few people in online marketing not trying to scam people. So highly recommend.